Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're going on an adventure to the island of Madagascar to learn about one of its most fascinating creatures, the Madagascar Sunset Moth. The Madagascar Sunset Moth is a species of moth that is found only in the tropical forests of Madagascar. With its striking orange and black wings, this moth is a sight to behold. But what makes it truly remarkable is its unique life cycle and the important role it plays in its ecosystem. The Madagascar sunset moth has been scientifically documented since the early 20th century, and since then, researchers have been studying its behavior, habitat, and ecological relationships. From a scientific perspective, the Madagascar sunset moth belongs to the family NatureWAristotle, which is one of the largest families of moths. Its biological classification is based on its physical characteristics, such as its wing shape and coloration, as well as its behavioral traits, like its nocturnal habits. The moth's habitat is typically found in areas with dense vegetation, where it can feed on nectar from flowers and hide from predators. One of the most fascinating things about the Madagascar sunset moth is its unique relationship with the traveler's palm tree. The moth's caterpillars feed exclusively on the leaves of this tree, which provides them with the nutrients they need to grow and develop. In return, the moths help to pollinate the tree's flowers, allowing it to reproduce. This symbiotic relationship is an example of mutualism, where both species benefit from each other's presence. Researchers have made some remarkable discoveries about the Madagascar sunset moth in recent years. For example, studies have shown that the moth's wings are covered in tiny scales that reflect light and give them their characteristic orange color. These scales are also thought to play a role in the moth's ability to regulate its body temperature, which is important for its survival in the hot and humid climate of Madagascar. In addition to its unique relationship with the traveler's palm tree, the Madagascar sunset moth also interacts with other species in its ecosystem. For example, its caterpillars are an important food source for birds and bats, while its adult moths are preyed upon by spiders and other insects. This highlights the complex web of relationships that exists within ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Unfortunately, the Madagascar sunset moth is facing some significant environmental challenges. Habitat destruction and fragmentation due to deforestation and climate change have reduced the availability of its food sources and breeding grounds. In addition, the introduction of invasive species has led to competition for resources and predation. As a result, the moth's population has been declining over the years, making conservation efforts essential to protect this unique species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Madagascar sunset moth and its habitat. For example, researchers are working to create nature reserves and national parks that will provide a safe haven for the moth and other endangered species. Additionally, education and outreach programs are being implemented to raise awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting ecosystems. In conclusion, the Madagascar sunset moth is an incredible example of evolutionary adaptation and ecological importance. Through its unique relationship with the traveler's palm tree and its role in pollinating flowers, this moth plays a vital part in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As we learn more about this species and its interactions with its environment, we can gain valuable insights into the complex web of relationships that underpin ecosystems around the world. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.